Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. And today's focus isn't really going to be about more bearish stuff, even though you guys know I'm bearish and I do think the market has potentially peaked for both crypto and the stock market, right? But I wanted to show you guys a little bit of coincidences here, right? So from the last bull trigger that we had, right? If we take the last bull trigger, which is right here, this little red dot and the stochastic at midpoint, at like mid-level, right? We can run this essentially to the top, right? Of price. Or actually, let's go to the bullish. There you go. So let's go to the bullish candle, right? You ran 57, basically $60,000 in around 518 days, right? And again, that's from the monthly bearish trigger. Let's do it again, right? From the monthly bearish trigger back on October 1st, 2022, right? If we do it of 517 days to this peak right here, right there, right? That's roughly around that same kind of run, right? So the first one was 57K, the second one was 52,000, right? And look what's already happening, right? We hit that first peak on the run, and then bear candle on the monthly, right? We hit that first peak on the run, bear candle on the monthly, right? So it's kind of an insane coincidence that we're starting to peak out at exactly 518 days roughly, right? It's not going to be 100% exactly every time, but again, that's extreme. That's too much of a coincidence to ignore. And also, if we run the high, right, to the low, to that first drop, right, we get 35K in about 60 days. And if we do, if we do the high from the bear candle, the bear candle on the bear candle right here, we do 60 days out, right, 61 days, which would be next month, right? We get a 35K drop right around there, 35.3. We'll do 30. We'll match it exactly, right? 35.3. There you go. Not only do you hit trend, right? Exactly, but you also have a perfect retracement, a golden pocket retracement on the 618 level right here at 37,804. So it is a very, 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 very strange coincidence that if you drop that exact same amount from that first drop, right, from here to here, right, if you drop that same amount, you coincidentally hit trend exactly, and you also hit that 618 retracement, right? So again, can this be the top? I think we are, personally, right? Other people might say that we're not. I think there's too many coincidences to really think that we're not at the top, right? Or at least the possibility of being at the top, especially with us hitting that upper channel right here, right? Exactly, and then retracing, right? For us running exactly 516, 17, 518 days, and then having a bear month, right? A bear candle on the monthly. Again, same thing that happened right here. You ran 518 days before really dropping hard. And again, what happened? 518 days before really dropping hard, right? And if you coincidentally go from this high of like 68 9K, whatever Bitcoin's last high was, and if you drop to the first drop, coincidentally, not only do you drop to 37.8 here, but you hit channel, right? You do hit this channel here, right? The low, like you perfectly on trend, and it's a 618 retracement. Coincidentally, all these things are aligning, right? And not only that, but if you look at the total market cap of crypto, you are starting to pull back on the monthly, right? You're peaking out at 2.5 trillion. Not only that, but you didn't actually hit the original peak high of $3 trillion, even though Bitcoin broke highs. So that to me is sounding extremely bearish, right? Not only that, but you do have divergence here, right? We're essentially peaking out on the stochastic at highs, right? And you just created a new low, right? This is technically a higher low, right? Right there, because you did not break total highs or total cryptocurrency market cap highs. So again, this is just something to think about. Again, do I think we're gonna drop extremely hard? Personally, I think my first target right now, right, my first target would be around 51K, and then you can start seeing like these major drops. But if we're looking at the monthly by itself, there's no reason for me to not think that we've coincidentally run the same and dropped, to not drop all the way back down to like a 37K Bitcoin, and then watch the whole crypto market essentially just crash by like 50%, which is completely normal, by the way. This happens very frequently in crypto. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.